Hello everyone, welcome to Guided. This is Aditya. One very important information for all the candidates shortlisted for OICL AU, Oriental Insurance Company Limited AU, Administrative Officer, either for Generalist or for the Hindi Officer. Your interview dates are out. Schedule properly आपका share हो चुका है. And if you will be going with the official website, here you will see the notice. यहाँ पर आपके पास dates दिए हुए हैं. चेन्नई 22nd of May to 26th of May. It will be conducted Kolkata 28th of May to 30th of May. After that Delhi 1st of June to 6th of June, and in the last Mumbai 8th of June to 11th of June. Similar to that, what you can do is you can check your name according to the circle you have applied. There you will be able to see your name, timing as well. So they called you in mostly two shift, morning 9 a.m. and 1 o'clock. 1 p.m. So 9 a.m. 1 p.m. in these two shifts they mostly called you for the interview. बाकी आप डिटेल में आकर यहाँ पर चेक कर लीजिएगा as per your circle. If you are from Kolkata circle, you can check it. So 9 a.m. 1 a.m. 1 p.m. sorry, not a.m. 1 p.m. So what is the time slot? At what time slot they ask you? We will be expecting a data sheet as well, something like this. इस तरीके का कुछ data sheet होगा which they will be issuing in the upcoming days. This data sheet we need to fill and carry with us. So whatever the information will come, this is not the exact data sheet, it is the old data sheet. We need to wait for the new one. It will be updated over here. यहाँ कहीं पर आपका नया data sheet update हो जाएगा. Once it is live, I will be giving you information. You can join my Telegram group if you will search OICL or Guidely, or you can directly search J Genius by Aditya sir. You will be able to find my Telegram group. One more important information, एक और important information है that our OICL AO Generalist batches live classes are already going on. हमारे classes चल रहे हैं. These many sessions we have already completed in the batch, and like this you will be able to see the upcoming session. यहाँ पर आपको upcoming session देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा. That is scheduled on 14th of May 6 p.m. So everything we will be completing within the batch. Insurance videos are there, and mock interview window we have activated in next some time. My ID team is already working on it. So in the next few minutes, you will be able to book your mock interview slots as well. I will be sharing a separate video regarding how to book the mock interview slots. So 2 mock interviews will be there within this batch. Mock 1 will be taken by me. Mock 2 will be taken by our ex-panel member, those who have taken the interviews of different insurance companies previously. So all the best from my side for your interview. Now the dates are out, so you know that on which date you are going to have your interview. All the best from my side. Do well, prepare well, practice well, go for the interview confidently. Take care. Jai Hind. All the very best.